So this is the step-by-step guide for your ARC testnet. So the first thing you need to do is you go to the faucet and get faucet. You just paste your wallet address and then send. You wait for it to go. It's taking little time due to network. So you see it has been sent already. Then I will now get euros and now paste my same wallet address, send, and wait for it to go. Okay, so you see send. So after you have done this, the next thing you are going to do is to go to the main page itself. So if you are at the main page, the first thing you're supposed to do, once you just go to the main page, you scroll down. I've done that already. You follow them on all their handles and you interact to get XP. And after you are done that, you now go up and then you come to swap, the first activity. Then you now swap your USDC to euro. So let's pick a figure. Let's say 0.1. Let's press swap. So I'll go to my wallet to approve the transaction. See, it has come. Swap up and then confirm. So let's go, let's wait and see what it has been approved now. So you go down, then you can do it vice versa. Now you turn it up, you now swap your euro to USDT. Let's go 0.2, approve. You now go to your wallet and wait. Yeah, it has come already, so I'm going to approve the transaction. So I'm approving transaction now. So the transaction has been approved. Then I'll swap now. Press the swap button and wait. Give it a few minutes. You go to your wallet and approve. Then you just scroll down and confirm. So it's done. So you have performed the first activity. Then the second is pool. You go to pool and add liquidity. So you touch add. Then let's say 0. You touch add option. And then let's add $1 to liquidity. Approve. So you now go to your wallet to approve the transaction. Wait for it to come up. It has come up. So you approve, confirm. And now say go back. And you are done. I've added to the pool, so you can see already liquidity pool I've added already. You can also choose to remove. It's an action you can perform. Let's say 0.02. So you go back there, wallet, go up, so that you approve, so and then confirm. So you can still re-add if you want. The previous one didn't work, so let me redo it again. And let's say 0.1. So let's add liquidity. So I still go to my wallet, add liquid. So you now add liquidity. You still go back and put your wallet, wait for it to come up. You now approve, and then you confirm. So by this action, yes, let me go back and check it. By this action, liquidity has been added. Yes, so I'm done with adding liquidity. Then the next one I'm gonna do now is bridge. Bridge, that is you move the funds between chain. So let me say $1, $1 USDC. So I'm bridging it. So filer. Let me go and approve. Another approval waiting for me, so let me go and wait for it. Another approval. Give it time. We have to make about 3 approvals. So yes, there's another approval. See waiting on. For it to come, because there should be another approval here. Yeah, so it has come. You now confirm. And then yeah, here's the last one. Wait for that. Alright, so that means you see my transaction is done. So I will now move to the last but not the least fault. So ensure you come here, ensure it's on add testnet, even though to stress you. So then you will now deposit USD to the vault. I believe deposit to any yield. So let me say I'm depositing $1, $1 USDC, and I just did the black one. So I'm going to go and do an approval. Remember, give an approval. So let me confirm it. So should have seen my 1 USDC have no deposit. So I'll be earning yield. So I can just also withdraw. Let me see. Let me withdraw 0.0001. So let me go and give it approval. Yeah, but the other activities you can do. So stay close to Crypto-Fotismós. You can make withdrawals. Yes, I'll need to add that. So you can make withdrawals, do other transactions. So stay close to Crypto-Fotismós. I will do proper guides on other interactions, but for now, these are the key interactions you do, so that when this goes live, this XP model here, down here, are you seeing add liquidity? Are you seeing them? When they go live, will now start earning points, which will become airdrop token, which will be converted to funds, which is not guaranteed though, but that is it. In 2026, success doesn't come by mistake. Stay Crypto-Fotismós. Let's work hard and ensure that you're on the printing side. Catch you. Like, share, tell someone.